Welcome back, students. Now we will discuss the important problems of matrices related to multiplication of matrices. Starting from this question number 3, let A equals to, given that A is a matrix of order 2 cross 2 with first row 0, 1 and the second row 1, 2. Find A square minus 5A plus 4I. Prove that. Not find, yes. We have to find A square minus 5A plus 4I and hence find a matrix X such that A square minus 5A plus 4I plus X equals to O. Okay. So first of all, we find the value of A square minus 5A plus 4I. And for this, we have to find A square. A square means A into A. That is matrix A 0, 1, 1, 2 into matrix A again 0, 1, 1, 2. So it is equal to then first element is obtained by first row of first matrix multiplied by first column of second matrix. So 0 into 0 plus 1 into 1. For the second element, what should we do? First row of first matrix is multiplied by second column. So 0 into 1 plus 1 into 2. Then second row, first column. Second row elements are 1, 0. 1 into 0 plus 2, 1. 2 into 1. In second row, second column, 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 equals to 0 plus 1, 0 plus 2, 0 plus 2, 1 plus 4. So A square equals to 1, 2, 2, 5 row wise. Then we find 5A. 5A means 5 into matrix A 0, 1, 1, 2 equals to 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 4I, 4 into 1, 0, 0, 1. So 4 ones are 4, 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4. Then we find A square minus 5A plus 4I. A square is 1, 2, 2, 5 minus 5A 0, 5, 5, 2 plus 4I 4, 0, 0, 4 equals to 1 minus 0 plus 4, 2 minus 5 plus 0, 2 minus 5 plus 0, 5 minus 10 plus 4 equals to 1 minus 0 is 1 plus 4, 5. 2 minus 5 minus 3, 2 minus 5 minus 3, 5 plus 4 minus 10 minus 1. So this is the first answer. A square minus 5A plus 4I equals to a matrix of order 2 cross 2, 5 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1. One more thing is given, if A square minus 5A plus 4I A square minus 5A plus 4I plus X equals to O. It implies X equals to what? We transfer all these terms except A to the right hand side. Now value of this A square minus 5A plus 4I from this matrix equation 1 will be minus 5 minus 3 minus 3, minus 1. So we will multiply minus 1 to all the terms. Minus 5, 3, minus 3, 1, which is the answer. So this is the solution of question number 4. Okay, if we use 0, 1, 1, 2, actually 3 and 4 are mixed. So this is the method. I think you have understood how to solve question number 4. It has a matrix of order 3 cross 3. So similar thing we have to do in this also. Now if we discuss question number 3, which is given as A equals to 0, 1, 1, 2. A equals to 0, 1, 1, 2. And fx equals to x square plus x minus 1. And we have to find fa. Now in matrix equation, in this type of function in which x is a real number but it is replaced by a matrix. So we write a square plus a minus. Now this time we cannot write 1 as 1 is a real number and a real number cannot be added to a matrix. This is the closure law. So in place of 1 we use identity, means which is equivalent to 1 in case of matrices. So if we now find a square we already have calculated in this question, previous question. It is 1225 plus a is given minus I is 100, means 1 is replaced, 1 is unity, so it is replaced by unit matrix. Unit matrix means identity matrix. Zero, 3, 3, 6. So this is the answer for question number 3. Fa equals to a matrix 0, 3, 3, 6. So let's now discuss question number 5. Find the matrix A such that matrix A into the matrix with first row 1, 2, 3 and second row 4, 5, 6 equals to minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, 2, 4, 6. Okay. So what should be the order of A? First we have to find that. So let's assume that order of A is m cross n. So A m cross n into B, and what is the order of B? It has 1, 2 rows. R1, R2, it has 2 rows. And how many columns? 1, 2, 3. See, 3 columns. Okay. And what is the order of AB? Order of AB is also 2 cross 3. It has 2 rows and 3 columns. It also has 2 rows and 3 columns. So compare with if a matrix of order m cross n is multiplied with matrix of order n cross L, it forms the matrix of order m cross L. So what is the value of m? Not known. n, yes, n equals to 2, 2, 2, m equals to 2. Okay. So order of A is 2 cross 2. Okay. So first of all, we have to find the order. Then only we can find the matrix A. So then let's assume that again, the matrix A equals to 4 element A, B, and second row is CD. Okay. So A, B, C, D. In place of A, we write this. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equals to -7, -8, -9, 2, 4, 6. It implies multiply first row by first column. So it is A plus 4B. First row by second column. 2A plus 5B. First row by third column. 3A plus 6B. Then it's turned for second row. Second row, first column. C plus 4D, 2C plus 5D, 3C plus 6D. If anyone has doubt, ask your doubts in comment box. -7, -8, -9, 2, 4, 6. So look at this. First row has the equations containing A and B only. So we compare them. Comparing element to element, both sides means first element, that is element of first row, first column, A plus 4B will be equal to -7. So we write A plus 4B equals to -7, equation number 1. Then first row, second column, first row, second column are compared. So 2A plus 5B equals to -8, equation number 2. Now how to solve it? Multiply equation number 1 by 2 and then subtract from equation number 2. So 2A plus 8B equals to -14. We write the reason multiplying equation 1 by 2 and subtracting from equation 2. Minus, plus 2A, 2A cancelled out. 5A minus 8B minus 3B equals to -8 plus 14, 6. It implies B equals to -6 by 3. So B equals to -2. And from equation 1, A plus 4B equals to -7. It implies A plus 4 into -2 equals to -7. It implies A minus 8 equals to -7. It implies A equals to 8 minus 7 equals to 1. So A equals to 1, B equals to -2. So what about the third equation? Remember, this third equation we have to check for this whether it is satisfying the obtained value of A and B or not. Otherwise, we will write A and B are not defined. So 3A plus 6B equals to -9. Check it. 3 into 1 plus 6 into -2 equals to -9. So 3 minus 12 equals to -9, which is correct. Hence, two values are A equals to 1, B equals to -2. Similarly, we will solve the equations obtained by second row. C plus 4D equals to 2 is the first equation. C plus 4D equals to 2. This is equation number 4. 2C plus 5D equals to 4. 2C plus 5D equals to 4. Equation number 5. So again the same procedure is there. First equation will be multiplied by 2 and is then subtracted from equation number 5. So minus, minus, minus. 2C cancelled out. 5D minus 8D minus D equals to 0. Is D equals to 0. And if we use it in this equation, 2C equals to 4, that is C equals to 2. And then we check for the third equation, 3C plus 6D equals to 6. It implies 3 into 2 plus 6 into 0 equals to 6, correct. So the matrix A, which we have to find as ABCD, we have calculated it as 1, minus 2, 2, and value of D is 0. So in this way, we can find the unknown matrix by solving this matrix equation. So this is a type of matrix equation in which we have to find A, which when multiplied to a matrix of order 2 cross 3 is producing a matrix of order 2 cross 3. So first of all, we have to calculate the order of matrix, for which we assume that let the order of matrix be m cross n, and we know that whenever now we write the given equation in terms of their orders. So matrix of order m cross n is multiplied with matrix of order 2 cross 3. This is the matrix of order 2 cross 3 to produce AB, which is the product of two matrices of order 2 cross 3. So now, if we compare these matrices with the general rule that a matrix of order m cross n is multiplied by matrix of order n cross L, it produces the matrix of order m cross L. So it is giving n equals to 2. And M is also 2, means required matrix must have the order 2 cross 2. So we have assumed that it is a matrix A of order 2 cross 2, whose 4 elements are A, B, C, D in order. So thus, we will use the product of matrices to form 6 equations, 3 in terms of A and B and 3 in terms of C and D. We solve them to get values of A, B, C, D. And third equation of first type means A and B, and the third equation of second type, that is C and D, are checked with the obtained value of A, B, C, D. If they are correct, so A exists and its answer is 1 minus 2, 2, 0. So question number 6. Show that if A and B are square matrices of same order such that AB equals to BA. We know that AB is not always equal to BA, but sometimes it can be equal to BA also. So in these two matrices, these two are the square matrices of the same order, and AB equals to BA is given in this. In square matrices, we can multiply as by changing the order or by the same order by as their orders are same. So in first part, we have to prove that A plus B whole square equals to A square plus 2AB plus B square. In case of matrices, this property is not correct. But why it is not correct? We will discuss in this. A plus B whole square equals to a plus b into a plus b. So we use distributive property, that is a into a plus b plus b into a plus b. So we multiply it. A into a square plus a into b, ab plus b into a, ba plus b into b, b square. Now we know that AB is not equal to BA, so they cannot be added. That's why A plus B whole square is not always equal to A square plus 2A plus B square. But in this question, it is given that AB equals to BA. So if we use it, A square plus AB plus, and in place of BA, it is again AB plus B square. That is A square plus 2AB plus B square. So it means that A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Hence proved. Okay, understood everyone? Now we will discuss the question number 2. Which is, in which we have to prove A plus B into A minus B equals to A square minus B square. So we again start with LHS, which is A plus B into A minus B. So A into A minus B plus B into A minus B. Now use distributive property, A into A square minus AB plus B into A, BA. We cannot change the order in matrices. Now AB are not equal to, AB is not equal to BA for matrix multiplication, but in this question, it is given that AB equals to BA. So if we use it in place of BA, if we write AB, why? As given that, otherwise they are not equal. But in this, it is given that AB equals to BA, so we can replace BA with AB. Now this minus AB plus AB cancelled out, so the answer is A square minus B square, which is equal to RHS, hence proved. Now the next question in which you have doubt is question number 7. Hope you can now solve this question, 7th number, as this is also same as question number 4. And if you have doubt in this, then ask. You will have doubt. Okay. So I'm discussing this also. Question number 7. If A equals to, it is actually A. A equals to first row 102, second row 0 to 1, third row 203. A cube minus 6A square plus 7A plus ki equals to O. Find k. So first of all, find a cube. So before finding a cube, we have to find a square, means a into a. Which is equal to first row, first column, so multiply it. We will get 5. 1 plus 4, 5. Next is 0. Next is 2 to the 4. 2 ones are 2 plus 0 plus 6. Correct? So it will be 8. Similarly, you can find another also. Now to find a cube, we use a square into a. So we will discuss it in next session, but first you have to solve it using this method and send me. Otherwise, if you are not getting, then I will solve it in next session. Okay, this is the hint to solve this question. So start solving and ask if you are not getting it again.